everyone, how are you all doing? I know we all are so tired of hearing all the negative thing outside. This 2 months have been so hard for all of us. Many of us have been facing the crisis all over, especially our economic condition. Yes, and I came across this amazing opportunity from Avon. Yes, Avon have launched Avon Premier League. So today I'm going to talk about this Avon Premier League. Avon Premier League is a program where earning has no limit. I came across this program of Avon and I got so excited seeing the money in it because I know there are many people who is facing this economic crisis like me and who must be searching for the ways to make money. So this video is for them who want to make money. So let's understand what is Avon Premier League, how we can play and how we can earn money. We cannot go outside and play IPL in this pandemic, but yes, of course, we can play APL staying at home. APL is a program of 3 months. It has started from 1st June and it will run till 31st August 2020. Who can participate in this APL is the one who already have registered in Avon. Who already have their Avon ID or who is already a member of Avon, and who is not a member of Avon is also very simple. To register in Avon, you just have to submit any of your government ID to Avon and you have to purchase 3500 of products, 3500 worth products from Avon, and that too it is just an award sale. You just have to pay 2650 rupees of that product because you'll get 25% out of 3500. So now when you are a member of Avon, you can participate in this Avon Premier League. What you have to do is you have to recruit people under you. This program is totally on recruitment. The more people you recruit, the more runs you get. Like in a cricket, you have to make a run. The same way you have to make a run in this Avon Premier League by recruiting people. When you recruit one person in this month, that is June, then you get 4 runs. The same person has to place the order next month, then you get 4 runs. The same person have to order on August, then you get 6 runs from that person. And that is only on the order value of 1000 and above. But this run which I told you, that is 4 runs in the first month, 4 runs in the second month and 6 runs in the third month is only when they place order above 1000 rupees. If their order value is above 1500 to 1999, then you get more extra 2 runs. Yes, that makes 6 runs. And when their order value is above 3000, then you get extra 6 runs. That is 4 plus 6, that is you make 10 runs. If they place an order above 3000, then you make 10 runs out of that recruitment. There is one more extra bonus run in this program known as Power Play. When you recruit people from 1st June to 15th of June, then you get 1.5 times extra run out of the runs you make. That is, if you have made 10 runs in this month and you have recruited people under you from 1st to 15th of June, then you get extra 1.5 times of your run, that is 15 run. Your payment slab will be decided with your run. The more run you make, the more payment slab you get. Now I will show you one by one how you can make money by recruiting 2 people, how much money you can make by recruiting 5 people, and how much money you can make by recruiting 10 people.
Let us see how much I can earn by recruiting 2 people. This is me, Deepika. I have recruited 2 people. As I have recruited them in the month of June, I get 4 run each from them. And as their order value is above 3000, I get extra 6 run each. That makes 10 run each. That is, total is 20, and 20 runs payout slab is rupees 25. That makes 500 rupees. And in the month of July, as they order, I get 4 run each. And as the order value is above 3000, I get extra 6 run again. That makes 10 plus 10, 20. 20 runs, payout slab is 25 rupees. I get 500 in the month of July from them. And in the month of August, as they order, I get 6 run. And as their order value is above 3000, I get again extra 6 run each. That makes 12 runs, and 12 plus 12 is 24. I make 24 runs in the month of August from this to joining, and 24 runs payout slab is 25 rupees. That makes 600 rupees. This is the total earning I can earn from this to joining. That is, total earning is 1600 rupees. But there is one extra bonus point I can earn, that is from power play. Power play is when I recruit these 2 people between 1st to 15th of June, and if my 70% of recruitment orders in the month of July, then I can get this power play bonus. And that power play bonus is I can get extra 1.5 run from each of this run. That is, 10 into 1.5 is 15 runs. I get extra 5 runs from this to recruitment. That 10 runs is calculated in the month of August. That is, my total run was 24 in the month of August. As I have fulfilled all the criteria of power play, I get extra 10 run. That makes 34 run, and 34 runs payout slab is 25 rupees. Then I get 850 rupees in the month of August. That is, my total earning is 1850 rupees from this to recruitment if I play power play. Now, how much I can earn from 5 joining and 10 joining, I will be explaining it in Nepali for my Nepali mates. मैले 5 जना जोइनिङ हाले मेरो मुनि. जस्तो उनीहरूले अर्डर गर्नुहुन्छ, मैले 4 रन इच पाउँछु हरेक जनाकोबाट. उनीहरूको अर्डर भ्याल्यु 3000 अबभ छ, त्यही कारणले गर्दा मैले 6 रन एक्स्ट्रा इच पाउँदैछु 5 जनाकोबाट. र 5 जनाको टोटल रन 10-10 रन हुनको कारणले मेरो टोटल रन 50 भयो. 50 रनको पेआउट स्ल्याब 30 रुपिस छ, र मैले योमा क्याल्कुलेट गर्दा 5 जनाको जोइनिङबाट जुनमा मैले 1500 रुपियाँ कमाउन सक्छु. अनि जुलाई महिनामा पनि उनीहरूले अर्डर हाल्नुभयो भने मैले 4 रन्स इच त पाउँदैछु, र एक्स्ट्रा मैले 6 रन पाउँछु हरेक जनाकोबाट, किनकि उनीहरूको अर्डर 3000 अबभ छ. र त्यसै गरेर मेरो टोटल रन 50 रन्स भयो, र 50 रन्समा मेरो 50 रन्सको पेआउट स्ल्याब 30 रुपिस छ, र मेरो जुलाई महिनामा पनि मैले 1500 रुपियाँ कमाउन सक्छु यिनीहरूको जोइनिङबाट. र यसरी नै अगस्टमा उनीहरूले जस्तो अर्डर हाल्छ त्यस्तै मैले 6 रन पाउँछु, र उनीहरूको अर्डर 3000 अबभ हुनको कारणले गर्दा मैले 6 रन इच एक्स्ट्रा पाउँछु, र टोटल रन हरेकजनाकोबाट 12 रन हुन्छ. 12 रनको 5 गर्दाखेरि 5 इन्टु गर्दा 60 रन्स मैले टोटल पाउँदैछु अगस्ट महिनामा, र 60 रनको पेआउट स्ल्याब 30 रुपिस छ, र मैले 1800 अगस्ट महिनामा यिनीहरूको 5 जनाको अर्डरबाट पाउँदैछु. यो तपाईको सिर्फ तपाईको इन्सेन्टिभ मात्रै हो, एक्टिभिटी इन्सेन्टिभ मात्रै हो. तपाईले एक्स्ट्रा 8% कमिसन पाउनुहुन्छ उनीहरूको अर्डरबाट. र त्यसरी नै हामीले एक्स्ट्रा बोनस यसमा पावर प्ले भन्ने पनि छ। पावर प्ले चाहिँ कसरी पाउँछु भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले यदि यो 5 जनालाई 1 तारिकदेखिको लिएर 15 जुनसम्म अर्डर गराए भने, जोइनिङ गराए भने र यो 5 जना मध्येमा 70% चाहिँ अर्डर गरेको हुनुपर्छ जस्तो गरेर उनीहरूले यो 5 जना मध्येमा 4 जनाले पनि अर्डर गर्नुभयो भने तपाईले एक्स्ट्रा उनीहरूको रनको जुनको महिनाको रनको एक्स्ट्रा 1.5 रन्स पाउनुहुँदैछ। त्यसै गरेर हरेक जनाकोबाट 5-5 रन एक्स्ट्रा पाउनुहुन्छ। त्यो 5 रन गर्दा 25 रन एक्स्ट्रा हुन्छ तपाईको र त्यो चाहिँ अगस्त महिनामा क्याल्कुलेट हुन्छ। अगस्त महिनामा तपाईले 60 रन बनाउनु भएको छ र तपाईले पावर प्लेको सबै क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल गर्नुभयो भने 25 रन हुन्छ। 25 रनलाई तपाईले प्लस गर्दा 85 रन्स, 85 रनको पे आउट स्ल्याब तपाईको 30 रुपीज हुन्छ र टोटल अर्निङ तपाईको रुपीज 2550 रुपीज हुन्छ तपाईको अगस्त महिनामा र तपाईको टोटल अर्निङ हुन सक्छ 5550 रुपीज। यदि तपाईले पावर प्ले खेल्नु भएन भने तपाईको अर्निङ 4800 मात्र हुनेछ। यदि तपाईले पावर प्ले बोनससँग खेल्नु भयो भने तपाईको अर्निङ 5550 रुपीज हुनेछ। अब 10 जोइनिङ तपाईले यदि हाल्नुभयो जुनमा भने तपाईको 10 जोइनिङमा उनीहरूले अर्डर गर्नु बित्तिकै 4 रन्स इच त पाउनुहुन्छ र यिनीहरूको अर्डर भ्याल्यु 3000 देखिको अबभ छ भने तपाईले 6 रन इच पाउनुहुन्छ र टोटल 10 रन्स इच गर्दा तपाईको 10 जनाकोबाट 100 रन्स हुन्छ र 100 रनको पे आउट स्ल्याब छ 35 रुपीज र तपाईले 10 वटा जोइनिङबाट जुन महिनामा 3500 रुपैयाँ कमाउनु सक्नुहुनेछ। अनि जुलाईमा पनि यसरी नै उहाँहरूले अर्डर हाल्नुभयो भने तपाईले 4 रन इच पाउनुहुन्छ। उहाँहरूको 3000 अबभ अर्डर भ्याल्यु हुनाले गर्दा तपाईले 6 रन इच फेरि पाउनुहुन्छ एक्स्ट्रा र तपाईको टोटल रन 100 नै हुनेछ। टोटल रन 100 हुँदाखेरि तपाईको पे आउट स्ल्याब 35 रुपीज हो र तपाईको जुलाई महिनामा पनि तपाईहरूले 3500 रुपैयाँ कमाउन सक्नुहुन्छ यदि तपाईले 10 वटा जोइनिङ गर्नुभयो भने। अनि अगस्तमा तपाईको 6 रन पाउनुहुन्छ उनीहरूले अर्डर गर्नु बित्तिकै 6 रन अनि एक्स्ट्रा 6 रन पाउनुहुन्छ उनीहरूको अर्डर भ्याल्यु 3000 छ भने र तपाईले टोटल रन उनीहरूको एक जनाकोबाट 12 रन पाउँदाखेरि 12 रन इन्टु 10 गर्दा तपाईले 120 रन्स यी 10 जनाकोबाट पाउनुहुन्छ र 120 को पे आउट स्ल्याब 35 रुपीज छ र तपाईले क्याल्कुलेट गर्दाखेरि 4200 रुपीज अगस्त महिनामा मात्रै कमाउनुहुन्छ। टोटल अर्निङ तपाईको 11200 रुपीज हुनेछ तपाईको यो एक्टिभिटी इन्सेन्टिभबाट र उनीहरूको अर्डर भ्याल्युबाट तपाईले अझै तपाईले 8% कमाउन सक्नुहुन्छ उनीहरूको नेट सेल्सबाट। अनि यदि तपाईले पावर प्ले फेरि यसमा पनि खेल्नुभयो भने पावर प्लेको लागि मैले भने तपाईहरूको 1 जुनदेखिको 15 जुनसम्म अर्डर गरेको हुनुपर्छ र तपाईको यो 10 जना मध्येमा 7 जनाले अर्डर गरेको हुनुपर्छ जुलाईमा। त्यसो गर्दा तपाईको क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल भएको छ भने तपाईले एक्स्ट्रा उनीहरूकोबाट 1.5 को एक्स्ट्रा रन कति हुन्छ 5 रन्स इच हुन्छ। यो 10 रन्सको 1.5 इन्टु गर्दाखेरि 5 रन इच भनेपछि तपाईको टोटल एक्स्ट्रा 50 रन तपाईले पाउनु हुँदैछ पावर प्लेको मार्फत र तपाईले 120 तपाईले अगस्तमा तपाईले रन पाउनु भएको छ। त्यो 120 रन्समा तपाईको पावर प्लेको 50 रन तपाईको एड हुँदा 170 रन्स हुन्छ र 170 रनको पे आउट स्ल्याब छ 40 रुपीज र तपाईको टोटल कति हुँदैछ 6800 रुपीज तपाईले अगस्त महिनामा मात्रै एक्स्ट्रा कमाउनु सक्नुहुनेछ र तपाईको यदि पावर प्ले खेल्नु भएन भने टोटल तपाईको 11200 हुनेछ र यदि तपाईले पावर प्ले खेल्नु भयो भने तपाईले 13800 रुपैयाँ कमाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। One important thing you should remember for power play is you should recruit from 1st June to 15th of June and 70% of your recruitment should order in the month of July. If you fulfill this criteria, then you'll get extra 1.5 runs out of your June order. This is just the activity earning. You can earn more 8% commission from net sales of your downline's order.
Do you see the amount you can earn from this Avon Premier League? This was the reason that pushed me to make this video because I saw a lot of money in this Avon Premier League, and we can fill all the gaps we have been facing in this crisis with this money. Now, if you are ready to play this game, you have to have two things. That is, number one is intention and number two is energy. Whenever you go to play in a field, you should have that intention of winning intention that yes, I will play this game and I will win this game. And number two, to win that game, you have to have an energy. You have to have an ample energy level so that you can win that game. And in this Avon Premier League, you have to have that intention and you have to have that energy level to know yourself that yes, I can make a lot of money from this Avon Premier League. Now, you must be thinking how we should recruit people in this pandemic. We cannot go out. You don't have an Android phone with you. You don't have that contact list in your phone. You don't have your family members and relatives and friends. Yes? Then come on people, you are just a call away. Go digital, send your PDF files, send your incentives offers through WhatsApp. Go digital, recruit people from this digital apps. I'm super excited with this Avon Premier League, and I have that intention and I have that energy level that I can win this game and I can make a lot of money from this Avon Premier League. Are you?